Welcome to B30. Your health is your greatest asset, but sometimes subtle signs can be easy to overlook. While we all know to seek medical care for serious conditions like chest pain or sudden loss of speech, what about the symptoms that aren't as obvious? In today's video, we'll be covering 7 important signs and symptoms that you shouldn't ignore. Staying aware could help you catch potential health problems early. Let's dive into these essential health tips. Number 7. Unexplained weight loss. Losing weight without trying might sound good on the surface, but it can actually be a sign of a serious health issue. If you've dropped more than 5% of your body weight over 6 to 12 months without any lifestyle changes, it could point to conditions like hyperthyroidism, diabetes, or even cancer. Consulting a healthcare provider when you notice such a drop is crucial. Addressing this early on can help identify whether a treatable condition is behind the change, ensuring your long-term health. Number 6. Persistent or high fever. A fever is your body's way of fighting infection, but when it sticks around for more than 3 days or spikes above 103 degrees Fahrenheit, 39.4 degrees Celsius, it's time to take it seriously. Persistent fever can be linked to infections, including COVID-19 or diseases like tuberculosis. If you're experiencing fever alongside other symptoms like cough or fatigue, contact a medical professional. Remember, it's always better to be cautious, especially if you experience difficulty breathing or other severe symptoms. Number 5. Shortness of breath. It's not unusual to feel breathless after strenuous exercise. But unexplained shortness of breath, especially if it hits you suddenly, can signal serious conditions. Possible causes include chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, asthma, or even a pulmonary embolism. Seek emergency medical care if you experience sudden or severe shortness of breath. Quick action could be the difference between a mild concern and a major health issue. Number 4. Unexplained changes in bowel habits. Your bowel habits may not be something you think about every day, but sudden changes can point to infections or digestive diseases. Watch out for bloody or black stools, persistent diarrhea, or pain in your stomach that doesn't go away. These changes can be a sign of anything from a bacterial infection to more serious conditions like colon cancer. It's always wise to consult with your doctor if you notice something unusual. Number 3. Confusion or or personality changes. We all have moments when we feel distracted or off, but sudden confusion or noticeable shifts in personality could point to bigger issues, such as an infection, dehydration, or even a reaction to medication. If you or someone you know is experiencing difficulty thinking, focusing, or sudden behavior changes, don't brush it off. These symptoms can indicate serious underlying conditions that need immediate attention. Number 2. Feeling full after eating very little. If you find yourself feeling full after just a few bites, it could be more than just a one-time occurrence. This sensation, known as early satiety, could indicate conditions like GERD or peptic ulcers. In more severe cases, stomach cancer could be a factor. If you're also experiencing symptoms like nausea or weight loss along with early satiety, it's important to let your healthcare provider know. Catching this early could prevent further complications. Number 1. Flashes of light. Sudden flashes of light can sometimes signal something as simple as a migraine. But if these flashes come out of nowhere, they could be a warning sign of retinal detachment, a condition that requires immediate care to prevent permanent vision loss. Don't ignore any sudden changes in your vision, especially flashes of light. Getting prompt medical attention can make all the difference in preserving your eyesight. Bonus: trust your gut instincts. Sometimes your body will tell you something's wrong before the signs are obvious. Don't ignore your gut feelings about unusual changes. It's better to check in with a healthcare provider early than to wait until symptoms worsen. There you have it, 7 signs and symptoms you should never ignore. Remember, your health is precious, and catching issues early can make all the difference. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to B30 for more tips on health, wellness, and personal growth. See you in the next video.